Hey guys, and welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to minify files using JavaScript or Node.js. This is the original version of this file and this is the minified version. Probably you ask yourself, is it really necessary to minify files? Or why would you minify files? Well, the reason is the size of the file. Now you see that the original version is 8 kilobyte, but the minified version is 5 kilobyte. Now imagine that you have hundreds of files and you save 3 kilobytes in every file, and that will increase and improve the page load speed and also save lots of storage space. So let us do it. Corners fs require fs the file system library to work with files, the path library require path, then the file path, directory name concatenated with the relative path, which is the files. In this folder files fs dot read dir async, and then the path, the file path. So this is going to read the entire folder and get all the files in that folder. For file of files, it is get also the extension path dot extension name, the file path plus the file. So in this way we get the extension of the file, just in case if you want to modify files with specific extensions. So we say if extension is .html. If you want to only minify HTML files, you can also add extensions such as JavaScript, which is GS or CSS, and etc. Again, const file content fs dot read file sync, and here the file path, which is the file path plus the file. So here you get the list of all the files, just the full name, the name and the extension, and then we concatenate the file name and extension with the file path, which is this. That is the full path, and then here the option including UTF-8. This one should be actually let, because we reassign the content. So file content is file content dot replace, and here we pass regular expression, which is this one for the 4 tab character, and then we pass here all the things that we need, for example for the R, for the new line, and for the tab, and then G for all of them with the white space. So this is the OR operator in regular expression. And then fs dot write file sync, the file path plus file, and then the data, which is the file content. So this is the modified version of the file content. It is not the same as the previous version. Original, when you read it for the first time, it is original, and then here we actually modify it and reassign it. This is the minified version. Finally, console.log, and here again new line, completed successfully. Let's also print the name of the file, console.log file name is the file. Now save it, close it, terminal, new terminal. So node minimize file. So we started file name, this one, and this one completed successfully. Let's check. Exit. So now this is the minified version, which is this, and this is the original version, which is this, and it happened to all the files. Now this is a huge file, so you see it like this, and this is the minified sitemap, and this is the original sitemap. This is the original index. So this is a very huge file. Let us see the size difference. Now if you hover over this, the minified version is 21.5 kilobyte, and the original one is 35.6 kilobyte. That's it guys, I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, commenting, and being around. Have great times.